Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and safely remove the rear taillight on a Hyundai Sonata 8th generation, also known as the DN8. This is a short and simple tutorial, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of the important steps or accidentally damage the light or its mounting points. First, open the trunk and look at the side of the trunk area right behind the rear taillight. You'll see a small plastic protective cover. Carefully pull this cover toward you and remove it. Once the cover is out of the way, you'll have direct access to the mounting nuts that hold the taillight in place. As you can see, there are 4 nuts that need to be removed. For this job, we'll use a ratchet with a 10mm socket. Simply loosen and remove all 4 nuts one by one. Make sure to keep the nuts somewhere safe so you don't lose them during the installation process. Once all 4 nuts have been removed, the next step is to disconnect the electrical connector from the rear taillight. Find the locking tab on the connector, press down on the release tab, and then gently pull the connector toward you. Don't use excessive force here. Now we've reached the most important part of the removal process. To remove it completely, pull the taillight straight toward you. If the light doesn't come out immediately, don't force it or try to twist it aggressively. Instead, gently move it from side to side while gradually applying a little more pressure toward you. This will help release the mounting guides from their positions without damaging the clips or the body of the vehicle. As you can see, the guides are positioned straight, so the main thing is to pull the taillight directly toward yourself. Once the guides are released, the entire rear taillight comes off easily.